You can import VAT report data into FTAX MTD forms from your own spreadsheets or from Sage or other accountancy packages by creating a CSV file. Most Sage and other accountancy packages already output a VAT report in CSV format. To create a CSV file from your own spreadsheets, you should create a new sheet in your workbook, link the relevant fields in your VAT records to the new sheet, make sure you have formatted the sheet properly and that all calculations are correct, and save the new sheet in CSV format and in a known location. The video concludes with a section on troubleshooting errors and what to do if you need to submit a nil return. Begin by creating a new sheet in your workbook. Click the New Sheet icon to the right of the tabs at the bottom of your most recent worksheet. To avoid confusion, you may wish to create a series of labels for the 9 values which are required for the VAT return. These should be placed in a column to the left of the values themselves. Make sure that there is nothing to the right of the values. The creation of labels is entirely optional. If you wish, you can simply link the 9 values from your VAT record sheet to a column in a new worksheet. In either case, there must be no data in the column to the right of the values in the new worksheet. To link the relevant fields in your VAT record sheet with the fields in your new worksheet, you should go to the first field in the new worksheet and type an equal sign. Now go to the relevant field in your own spreadsheet and press Enter. Go back to the new sheet and you will see that the 2 sheets are now linked. If you make changes in your VAT record sheet, this will automatically be reflected in the new sheet. Repeat this process with fields 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If you know that the value of a field will always be nil, you can leave it blank. Check the form to ensure that the formatting and calculations are correct. Boxes 6 to 9 do not need to include pence, but the FTAX form will remove them if they are present. Ensure that there is no data to the right of any of the VAT report values. Fields 3 and 5 are calculations and must be correct for your form to submit successfully. These fields can be linked from your VAT record sheet or can be done as a calculation within the new sheet itself. Value 3 is the sum of values 1 and 2. Value 5 is the difference between values 3 and 4, including pence. It can be positive or negative. Finally, you should save your sheet in CSV format. Click Save As and choose CSV from the list of options. Save the file in a known location. It is now ready to be imported into an FTAX MTD form. Please make sure that the CSV file is closed before you continue. To import the data, simply log in, open the relevant form, go to the correct quarter or month, and click Import VAT Report. Choose Import a CSV file from the drop-down. Click Yes to confirm that this is the correct quarter, and then select the CSV file from the known location. If your file fails to import, please ensure that the file has been saved and closed before you try to use it. Do not use pound signs in your spreadsheet. Format the data as number. Some spreadsheet packages will not allow the importation of a single sheet from a workbook. If your import fails, create an independent worksheet containing nothing but a column with the 9 values you need and save this as a CSV. If you need to create a nil return, create a ticket for FTAX support, and we will send you a CSV file with the appropriate values and formatting. Most accountancy packages, including Sage, will produce a CSV file and will provide you with instructions on how to do so. If this fails to import, despite following the HMRC guidelines provided on the FTAP's website and within the form, then you can send a sample to FTAX support and we will endeavour to make the changes necessary for the file to be accepted.